Did you know your body literally craves exercise? And that's just a fancy word for movement, but it really wants it, it needs it, and it craves it. And if you don't satisfy that craving, it will rebel in the form of aches and pains. Here are ways that you can satisfy your body by giving it what it needs. Now, the first form of movement that your body craves is walking. If you have the privilege to do this ability, please take advantage of it. You can do it in place, at home. You can do it from the couch or chair with your arms only. You can also do it outdoors if it's a nice day. It's really up to you, but you want to get that body moving, that blood circulating. The second craving that your body wants and needs is mobility movement. Exercises to take your joints and muscles through different ranges of motion. Right now, I'm doing my shoulders. Your hips are extremely important too. Your joints are designed to move in different ways. If you don't use it, you will lose it. Help your body satisfy that craving by performing mobility moves. And the third craving is the need to be strong. Your body wants to be strong. Your body is designed to pick things up, to place things overhead, to push objects. You are designed to be strong for everyday life. Again, if you don't use that strength, you will lose it. So let's try to maintain it for everyday life. Your body constantly craves those three things: strength, mobility, and cardio in the form of gentle movement like walking. If you don't satisfy those cravings, then your body is going to stop doing what it's designed to do. That's when it becomes tough, when we try to accomplish activities of daily living, simple things like walking around the house, climbing stairs, going outdoors, playing with our children and grandchildren. Listen to your body, listen to its cravings. Your body doesn't only crave sweets and junk food, it wants to do the things that it's designed to do. This is just a gentle reminder. I have all the exercises that you need on my page and of course on my app and site. I hope this helps.